As the crypto market is going down daily, investors are completely discouraged to invest, and then they think of trading crypto without losing money. However, even if old investors would prefer to escape from the market, there would be one who would make ways for them get into the market with little or huge investments and hence risk. One should see to it that they should be safe about not losing money or crypto investment. Risk reduction is a must. Though crypto investment is a digital investment, it takes a lot to safeguard it. Here we will guide you about monetary markets, their fluctuating nature, and we will provide you information on the cryptocurrency that you as investors should invest in. Based on the studies done by our financial experts and financial analysts, we have seen the trend moving upwards of cryptocurrency investment and then suddenly a market crash. We have seen that our investors are quite happy and content after getting money-making returns on their investments in cryptocurrency. To evade unanticipated financial adversities, our team of professionals foresee the price instabilities in the capital markets. They forecast the exact losses one has to suffer or profits that one has to gain from cryptocurrency investment. Also, these experts advise how we could get refrained from losing money. We can trust their information, so hey investors, we always boost you all to invest your money in cryptocurrency and get thoroughgoing profits out of it. Today, we are going to talk about how not to lose your money or your crypto investment. Lower your risk by investing with brains and not with the coin's popularity. Yes, people have just been lucky to gain profit from coins that have gained fame around social media because of its attention-seeking tricks and hype given by the media. But in the long run, who knows, a large population of investors get maniac and addicted to the profits from these shiny and money-making coins and land major losses after making huge investments. Don't be blind and get prone to cryptocurrency scams. It is appropriate to be doubtful on the one who tells you that you can make your luck if you invest in cryptocurrencies. There are many scammers in the form of companies in the market who try to convince you to make investments. Staying away from them would be safe for you. It's good to be greedy but not blind. As per recent news, the FTC, or Federal Trade Commission, announced that 7,000 plus investors from October 2020 to March 2021 lost around $80 million in cryptocurrency scams. Scammers take undue advantage of the majority of the population taking a keen interest in cryptocurrency investment. Scammers could come as hidden ones or through media, but both try making money out of investors, creating losses for them. For submitting a scam, if you have sent money to the scanner, make a complaint to the Federal Trade Commission, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Commodities Future Trading Commission. Protect your money from hackers. Keep your device and your data safe. Even after the security measures, hackers do hack the cryptocurrency of people that are being stored in digital wallets. Take the instance of Mt. Gox, a Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange that filed for bankruptcy when hackers stole $460 million. There have been many such instances that have created havoc for investors. Being proactive is a must to safeguard cryptocurrency. We have to be very practical, suspicious, and work only with legitimate cryptocurrency exchanges, thereby avoiding scams. Being in a rush to fetch profits would cost us greatly, and therefore, patience is a virtue. Don't let your greed overcome your presence of mind whilst making investments. Security of exchange must be looked up, and we should invest in the ones having fewer features but more security rather than vice versa. Do not lose the password to the cold wallet. If one stores his cryptocurrency offline or in a cold wallet, don't leave it lying around because it is prone to get stolen physically. Loss of passwords to the cold wallet would lead to the loss of access to the cryptocurrency forever, no matter if the wallet is right in front of you. Secure your passwords if the cold wallet is in use to save yourself from others. However, store your cryptocurrency where you feel there is safety, but do consider advantages and disadvantages. Be careful whilst using a hot wallet. The wallet connected to the internet, or hot wallet, makes you worry about other people holding onto their passwords. Knowing passwords could lead to problems for the complete organization after the demise of the password holder. So both wallets have their pros and cons. Risk is certain in the crypto market, but it's upon us as investors as to how we minimize the risk and hence loss. Cryptocurrencies usually run on blockchain technology and carry out business processes. Every cryptocurrency has unique features and are all aiming to build a distributed, secure spread and trust-free platform. The market drastically crashed on May 19, 2021, and coins lost their value. There are mixed opinions given by financial experts and professionals, thereby making the investors worry whether to invest in cryptocurrencies or not because of the overall advanced sell-off of cryptocurrencies. As part of the continuous sell-off in the crypto industry, the price of many cryptocurrencies like VeChain has reduced. All major cryptocurrencies like Binance Coin, Bitcoin and Ethereum have all come down to 10% since May 2021. The United States is also disturbed about interest rates. It was a complete end that leaves the crypto investment market in a state of volatility for the days and weeks in the foreground. At Daily Crypto Facts, you'll get daily updates on the facts of the crypto market. Until lately, many cryptocurrencies have been carrying out their finest in money markets. However, due to the pandemic, while in the last year, it has not met the hopes of the digital asset investors concerning gainful returns and price. This is chiefly because of the irregularity existing in the market due to the pandemic, outcome that the investment state has experienced the change and is inclined to remain the same by the year-end 2021. Randomness in the price of cryptocurrencies has also affected its capitalization. Accordingly, the price of cryptocurrency predictions has already been degraded. Investors are trying to be optimistic on the COVID-19 vaccine that they feel would do wonders for a confident price prediction 2021 for top 5 ranking crypto coins being considered as a useful investment. In the cryptocurrency market, a price adjustment after high performances would be a standard for investment. The cryptocurrencies might endure the improvement for the short range as the crypto market experienced significant growth as per the experts. This will allow an increase in the price of most of the altcoins. As per the financial experts, many coins are on the edge of their temporary yet speedy running cycle. It might keep the pickup flawless. Many cryptocurrencies hit stone-breaking records, showing a great surge. But one should not adopt whether to buy crypto coins based on historical data, metrics, or technical analysis. Investors should buy cryptocurrencies which work on blockchain technology because they are known to be the essential coins as it has developed the operations of the enterprises and smoothed our lives. Crypto coins are used in different areas like healthcare, banking, industries, corporates, etc. With the advancement in technology throughout the world, crypto investments have also given results beneficial to the enterprises and performances of different organizations. Therefore, many organizations are glad about the contribution of cryptocurrencies and their use in systems for the collection of data and much more. So viewers, now I'm sure you might have some questions in your mind like, should I invest or not? Or how much to invest to reduce loss of money? We will say that yes, make a sound investment and just be careful. Cryptocurrency has the potential to substantially grow fundamentally in the near future, despite the market fluctuations, and certainly this reflects the likelihood of further development. So what are your plans? Let us know in the comment section below. If you've liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who are looking for real and smart investment updates.